I'm in Little Havana and I'm super excited because I'm about to go and find some Cuban food and have a great time. So I will update you when I find that place. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to Uncharted Destiny. I am in Little Havana today and I am checking out all the different cool cultural spots that I can find. So the first place that I went was this little clothing place. I always like to bring back something that can remind me of where I've been. Usually it's jewelry, but if I can't find jewelry, sometimes I'll do clothing. So I found this really pretty skirt here in Little Havana that I'm gonna hopefully wear and remember this place in the future. But more importantly, I found a bakery, and at that bakery I found this dessert that supposedly is very popular and very good. I believe she pronounced it pastelino de coconut, which is the pastry, and then this one has coconut, but you could get them in like guava or cream cheese or even meat, a variety of different things. So this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna try it. Let's see how this goes. Oh my god, it smells incredible, and it's hot. It's so good. Oh my god. This actually reminds me of something my mom makes called Napoleon. A little bit different texture, but it's really good. Oh my goodness. I love food. So next I'm actually going to head to a art museum that also is a rum bar, so I figured that was a good place to go. It looked really cool in the pictures. I'll tell you what the name is when I'm there because it's evading me right now, but stay tuned. So some crazy stuff's happening and I have 2 minutes till my SD card is full to tell you about it. I am in the Florida Keys and I was just exploring, looking for a place to spend the night and to watch the sunset, and I ended up in this crazy rich neighborhood where I was driving past Ferraris and Maseratis in people's driveways, and also there was nowhere to watch the sunset because everybody has beachfront views from their houses because their houses are like $9 million, $100 million. I don't even know. So then I parked in this church parking lot to climb up onto my roof to take a picture over these people's houses, and I realized that my freaking roof rack popped off and it looks like my bike hit something because my forks are bent in the front. So I'm like, shit, I gotta fix this. It's a miracle I didn't lose everything because my kayak, my paddle, and my bike are all connected to the bike rack, which is now loosely sitting up there minus one pinion that was still attached. So I have to take off the bike rack, which means I have to take out the locking mechanism, and that's right how it's kind of assembled. Sorry, I can't give you more light. I'm kind of hiding in this parking lot right now. So I have some lock picks that a very close friend gave me to pick my camper door because it gets stuck sometimes. So I have a whole little set of lock picks. Then I'm watching YouTube videos and I actually freaking got the thing. I picked the lock and got it off. So now I have 2 more to go because one's still attached, but I have to climb onto my roof to do that, and I am pretty sure that there's a fence over there and I heard people yelling in Spanish and yelling "kilo, kilo," and I'm like wondering if it's like the cartel on the other side of this fence, and I have to climb onto my roof, and I really hope that they don't think that I'm like spying on them or something. Hopefully this all goes well and I can put my damn freaking roof rack back up there and find a bike shop to bend my bike back into place. But this is crazy. It's crazy, y'all. I don't know what else to say. You can't make this stuff up. But alright, I'm gonna get back to amateur burglary and I will update you as with the situation, and if not, I'm in the Keys and that's where I was last seen. Okay, bye guys. Guys, I did it. My bike rack is fixed and everything's reattached. I didn't get kidnapped by the cartel. The only thing I have left to do is find somewhere to hopefully repair my bike. But that was exciting. On to the next adventure, finding somewhere to sleep for the night where I'm not going to have the police knocking on my door. Goodbye. see a shark, a big one, for the first time in person. It's so cool. A rainy day is not going to stop me from exploring. So I am off to the Bayshore Boutique, or Bayshore Market, that's what it's called, and I'm just going to explore, just drive around, I have rented a bike since mine's in the shop, and we'll see how it goes. Hey guys, welcome back. I have been exploring Miami in the rain all day, and good thing that doesn't stop Miami from having a good time. I've been able to check out a whole bunch of shops and listen to some music and also eat gelato for dinner, which was fantastic. But I'm going to try to find a place to sleep for tonight, so that's my next mission. Bye. It's so cool, all of the different cultural stuff that's here. I'm about to go to an art museum. Hold on. Alright, there we go.